In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a price range in the Zillow iPhone app. If you're browsing for a new place and want to make sure every listing fits your budget, setting a price range is one of the quickest ways to focus your search. I'll walk you through it from start to finish so you can confidently narrow things down and see only the homes or rentals that match what you're comfortable spending. Start by opening the Zillow app on your iPhone. When the app loads, look near the top of the screen for the main search area. You can browse places to buy or places to rent, and the app adjusts what you see accordingly. If you're shopping to purchase, make sure you're in the section for homes. If you're looking for a lease, switch to rentals so the results and pricing make sense for your needs. Next, perform a search for the area you're interested in. Tap the search bar and type a city, neighborhood, zip code, or a specific address if you have one in mind. Zillow will show a map and a list of properties that match your location. This gives you a starting point before you fine-tune the results. Now look to the top right of the screen and tap Filters. This opens a panel where you can refine what you see. The filter screen helps you focus on the essentials, and at the top you'll find the option that matters most for budgeting, the price range. In the price range section, you'll see fields or sliders for minimum and maximum price. If you're searching rentals, these numbers represent monthly rent. If you're searching homes to buy, they represent total list price. Set the minimum price to the lowest amount you're comfortable with and the maximum to the highest number you're willing to consider. If you're unsure, it's fine to leave the minimum blank or very low and cap the maximum so you don't miss options that could be a good value. Aim for a range that's realistic for your market. Too narrow might hide great listings, while too wide can overwhelm you. Once your minimum and maximum are set, tap See Results. Zillow will refresh the list and map to show only properties within your selected budget. If you get very few or no results, simply return to Filters and widen the range slightly. If you see too many, tighten the range a bit until the list feels manageable. That's all it takes. By setting your price range, you'll save time and focus on places that truly fit your budget. Happy house hunting!